Jebem ti današnji dan. Vrela ko pišaća. Piće vode.
Do-do-da-day. That son of a bitch Jerry thinks gonna take my field boundary. I'm not gonna let that happen. I'm an American.
Moj djedo pokojni Trivun je vas dočekao da strani psi ližu po tvojoj zemlji, evo svoje slike onoga.
Look at these pretty flowers. I love watering my flowers.
Ima vode, jel? Ima da prospa na cvijeće, da Bog da se pojoje, sad će prospa.
The hell is this? Where's the goddamn water? Hello? Son of a bitch. What do you think you're doing, Jerry? I'm gonna have to shoot you again. God damn it, Jerry. What do you think you're doing? First it was my field boundary, now you're stealing my water? Well, say something! God damn it!
Sunce, tvoje američko debelo stokasta jedna bajbune. Viš ti ono gore veliko brdo. Pogledaj ono gore veliko brdo gdje moje krave pasu, bolan, juče se trebaju telti, ali evo ti me na poj krava, ti ovdje zadaš svoje cvijeće!
I don't know what you're saying.
Neću te više trpiti, ovoga mi djeda, moga Trifuna, neću.
What are you doing? What's that witchcraft?
Šta pružaš tu pušku stalo na mene, bori se ko muškarac jednom, dole za među sve zezno, ovdje nećeš, majke mi moje, okopat ću te, nećete, tvoja rodna zemlja vidjeti više.
Step away from my water.
Ja ću raditi šta ja hoću.
What are you doing?
Moja zemlja, ja ću raditi šta ja hoću i šta ja hoću.
What are you doing? Put it down. Put that down. Gary, I'm gonna warn you once.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Put it down. Put it down, Jerry.
Ne znam puno, ali znam jedno. Fuck you!
Where are you? I'm gonna get you next time, Jerry.